Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm super glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it. This question is called Investments in 2016 585. So decently popular. So let me show you. So basically, they want you to return a float rounded to 2 decimal places as the solution, and that represents basically the same 2015 value as one or more policyholders. Basically, that means that if for this row the 2015 value has a frequency of bigger than 1, then we can check this attribute, which means that basically this has to be unique. This 2020 would not be a unique pair, right? Because it appears more than once, while these 4040 and 1010 would. If that's the case, then include the current 2016 value. In this case, 40 plus 5 is 45, rounded to 2 decimal places, and that's what you get. Okay, so basically, let's go ahead and try to tally up the frequency of this column. So I just like to use a counter, quick dictionary, TIV 2015. And if we print this dictionary, we can see the values and their frequencies. Okay, so appears 3 times, 20 appears once. And then now, let's do the same thing for the latitude and the longitude. Let's create a default dictive type list. The key is going to be a composite key of both of them combined. Let's use a tuple. So for I, val in enumerate insurance, lat, and let's call this law is just going to be insurance, the longitude, and then we can just say value and longitude plus equals to 1. Let's make this of type integer and not an array. Cool, so now we have these, so we can evaluate both conditions as we're given. So basically, for I val in enumerate insurance, let's call this TIV 2016 because eventually that's the value that we want to sum up. Okay, so basically, if the 2015 value is appearing more than once, so let's say if insurance TIV 2015 of I, if C of this value is bigger than 1 and the latitude and longitude are unique, so less than or equal to 1, let's call this latitude and longitude. So this cell and this cell, if we're currently on this row, and D of, right, we had a tuple, remember that's how we declared it, is less than or equal to 1, then in that case we can add the current TIV value, right? That's just the value. Okay, so at the end, we want to round answer to 2 decimal places as it says here, and then just go ahead and create a result, which is going to be a list holding just one number, right? So that's the only column. Let's call this final. Probably not good because I know this is a keyword in Java, but that's fine for this. Set the only column equal to our result list, and then just return the data frame. Okay, let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more.